Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect WordPress to Elementor. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand menu, find Plugins and click Add New. In the search bar, type Elementor Website Builder. Once you locate it, click the Install Now button. This process usually takes only a few seconds, preparing your site for powerful visual editing. It's a straightforward first step to unlocking creative design possibilities. Once Elementor is installed, you'll see an Activate button. Click it to enable the plugin on your WordPress site. Activating Elementor integrates it seamlessly, adding a new Elementor menu item to your dashboard. This menu provides access to global settings and tools. With Elementor now active, you're ready to begin crafting stunning web pages with its intuitive drag-and-drop interface, making design accessible to everyone. To start building, navigate to Pages and then Add New in your WordPress dashboard. Give your new page a descriptive title like My First Page or Services. This title helps organize your content. After adding the title, locate and click the prominent Edit with Elementor button. This action will open the Elementor editor, transforming your blank page into a canvas for visual design. It's where the magic truly begins. Inside the Elementor editor, you'll find a panel on the left with numerous widgets. Simply drag and drop elements like headings, text blocks, and images directly onto your page. Each widget offers extensive customization options for colors, fonts, and spacing. Remember to use the responsive mode to check how your design appears on desktops, tablets, and mobile phones. This ensures a beautiful and functional experience for all your visitors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.